In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book T20 World Cup tickets. To get started, head to the official ICC T20 World Cup ticket website. It's important to use the official ticketing platform so you can view the latest availability, accurate pricing, and the correct booking process. Once the site loads, look for the option to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Having an account is usually necessary to complete your booking, manage your order, and access your tickets later, so make sure you use details that you can easily access. After signing in, take a moment to browse the match schedule. This is where you can explore the available games, host venues, and match dates. If you already know which match you want to attend, you can go straight to that listing. If not, it's a good idea to compare your options carefully, especially if ticket demand is high or if certain matches are expected to sell out quickly. Once you've chosen your match, select your preferred seating category. Ticket platforms often offer different seating options based on location in the stadium and pricing, so pick the one that best fits your budget and viewing preference. Then choose the number of tickets you want to purchase. Make sure to double check the quantity before continuing, since some events may have purchase limits. Next, enter any required spectator details if the platform asks for them. This information may be needed for ticket assignment or event entry, so fill it in carefully and review everything for accuracy before moving on. Small mistakes here can create problems later, especially when accessing your tickets. After that, review your booking summary. This is your chance to confirm the match, seating category, ticket quantity, and any details you entered. Take a few extra seconds here because correcting errors is much easier before payment than after the order is submitted. When everything looks right, proceed to payment. Use one of the accepted payment methods shown on the platform, such as a credit card, debit card, or any other available option. Be sure you are on a secure payment page before entering your payment information, and wait for the confirmation screen once the transaction is complete. After your payment goes through, you should receive a booking confirmation by email. Keep that confirmation in a safe place, since it usually contains important order details and instructions for ticket access. Finally, download your e-ticket